Welcome to our journey into the world of turmeric and its incredible benefits for colon health. Today, we're going to uncover how this amazing spice can transform your well-being from the inside out. Let's dive in and explore. 1/4 teaspoon, knock out inflammation, heal the colon, and repair your body. Hey there! Did you know that just 1/4 teaspoon of one magical spice could be the key to healing your colon and transforming your health? I'm not exaggerating when I say this could change your life. Let me ask you something. Are you dealing with brain fog? Feeling tired all the time? Maybe you're struggling with mood swings or can't sleep well? What if I told you the root of these problems might be in your colon? That's right. The magical spice I'm talking about is turmeric. And here's something mind-blowing. 90% of your body's serotonin, that's your feel-good hormone, is actually produced in your colon. Not your brain, your colon. When that serotonin isn't regulated properly, it can lead to brain fog, unhappiness, mood disorders, depression, anxiety, and even poor sleep. Why? Because serotonin is the precursor to melatonin, which controls your sleep-wake cycle. Plus, serotonin helps manage pain perception and plays a huge role in cardiovascular function, including blood pressure, heart rate, and blood clotting. Let's be honest, there's not one person in this world who hasn't had digestive problems at some point. And guess what? Everything starts in the colon. When there's inflammation there, it can lead to all sorts of digestive issues, increasing your risk of inflammatory bowel disease, colitis, and even colorectal cancers. Turmeric is not just a spice, it's a powerful health booster. This golden root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is now catching up. From reducing inflammation to boosting brain function, turmeric's benefits are truly impressive. It's like nature's little miracle worker. So what makes turmeric so special? It's all about curcumin, the active component that gives turmeric its bright yellow color. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant with amazing anti-inflammatory properties. It helps combat oxidative stress in your body, which is linked to cellular damage and inflammation. Think of it this way. Curcumin is like a superhero fighting those nasty free radicals that destroy your cells and the mitochondria within your body. Isn't that incredible? Did you know your gut microbiome contains trillions of bacteria that affect your overall health? Curcumin has been shown to have prebiotic effects, helping to promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy balance of gut flora is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Here's another cool fact. Turmeric stimulates the production of bile by your gallbladder. Why does that matter? Because bile is essential for digesting and absorbing fats and fat-soluble vitamins. By promoting bile production, turmeric supports healthy digestion and helps remove waste and toxins from your colon. The curcumin in turmeric also supports liver function and enhances your body's natural detoxification processes. A healthy liver is vital for removing waste products from the body, including from your colon. Are you one of those people who doesn't go to the bathroom regularly? Some people go 3 days, 4 days, or even up to a week without a bowel movement. That's a serious problem. Autointoxication and constipation cause abdominal discomfort, bloating, and straining during bowel movements, which can lead to rectal pain and hemorrhoids. When stool remains in your colon for an extended period, toxins and waste products can be reabsorbed back into your bloodstream. This can cause systemic toxicity, affecting your overall health. Turmeric can help make you more regular by reducing inflammation, supporting gut health, stimulating bile production, and aiding in detoxification. Did you ever notice how many skin problems, from psoriasis to eczema to acne, seem to come and go without explanation? The majority of all skin problems stem directly from our colon. Yes, hormones play a role, but when it comes to breaking out, that's your body's way of eliminating toxins from the inside out. How to use turmeric and its impact. When you feel weak and tired or start developing other conditions, remember that your gut affects your immunity. If you're having autoimmune problems or allergic reactions, you need to look back at the gut. That's where turmeric can be extremely powerful for you. So, how much turmeric should you take? Commonly recommended doses range from 500 to 2,000 milligrams daily. But here's a pro tip. Turmeric is fat-soluble, so taking it with fats or food will help your body absorb it better. And don't forget to add some black pepper. The piperine in black pepper dramatically increases curcumin absorption. You can use turmeric powder or fresh turmeric in your cooking. Just that quarter teaspoon daily can make a tremendous difference for your colon health. What I really want you to understand is how important your gut is. How are you taking care of it? What are you feeding it? Are you giving it the right prebiotics? Those prebiotics feed your probiotics, giving you a healthy microbiome. And that's where everything starts. If you're literally eating junk, refined and processed foods, the wrong types of fats like trans fats, and you're not taking care of yourself, your gut is not going to take care of you. It's that simple. Let me ask you this. Have you ever tried adding turmeric to your diet consistently? Did you notice any changes? Drop a comment below and let me know. The connection between your colon and brain is fascinating. Think about it. Your gut is often called your second brain for good reason. That serotonin production in your colon directly impacts your mental clarity, mood, and overall well-being. When your colon is inflamed, it's like having a fire in your foundation. Everything above it becomes unstable. The toxins released by an unhealthy colon can circulate throughout your body, affecting every system. Conclusion and call to action. Are you suffering from joint pain, skin issues, fatigue, brain fog? These seemingly unrelated problems might all be connected to your colon health. And that's why that quarter teaspoon of turmeric daily could be the game changer you've been looking for. Just imagine, something as simple as adding this golden spice to your morning smoothie, sprinkling it on your eggs, or stirring it into your soup could help transform your health from the inside out. Remember, healing takes time. Don't expect overnight miracles, but with consistent use of turmeric, many people report noticeable improvements within just a few weeks. Your body wants to heal. Sometimes it just needs the right tools to do so. So, are you ready to give your colon the care it deserves? Are you ready to knock out inflammation, heal your gut, and repair your body? That quarter teaspoon of turmeric might be the most powerful health hack you've ever tried. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and share this video with friends and family who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips that can transform your life. Make it a great day, and remember, your health starts in your gut.